Emergency Locksmiths in Manchester 0161 354 8709. We are Greater Manchester emergency locksmiths and security experts working 24 hours a day 365 days a year to help when you need the services of a local emergency locksmith based near to Manchester. We provide a complete break-in repair service throughout Greater Manchester at very short notice. So if you have been broken into, simply give us a call and let us get your home or business security back up to scratch now. We provide all lock changes, installations and repairs at very short notice, so no matter what you need we can help you. We also provide an auto locksmith service in Manchester for lost car key repairs and even vehicle unlocking 24 hours a day. Don't panic if you have been locked out, simply give us a call now on 0161 354 8709 and let us do the rest. When you need the services of an emergency locksmith in the Manchester area, then you should look no further than our team here at Sterling Trade Services Ltd. We provide a comprehensive auto, Commerial and Domestic locksmith service throughout Greater Manchester 24 hours a day 365 days a year with a maximum 1-hour response time for emergencies. Don't panic when you have been locked out of your house or car anywhere in the Greamer Manchester area, because you can rely on our team of expert locksmiths in Manchester to react fast and get you back inside. We also offer a complete break-in repair service for when your home has been broken into. So don't call second best, call our team and get the job done right first time every time. Visit our website http://sterlingtradeservices.com or call us now 0161 354 8709. Thank you.